Hey guys, today you see about the fridge, my new fridge. And today I'm gonna use the new fridge, not this one. The new fridge is right here. Look, this is the fridge. So has this door handle. Look. Just have to push it and close it. And open it. And also this one. It has two doors. The other one has a two-door fridge at your home. But number one, it doesn't have a water thing because I know a bunch of people has water fridges. Like they fill water, like they put those stuff right here so they can fill your water with it. So it's like this. Let me show you. Just like this. Hey, where did Muslim? Hey, I'm sorry. Where did the juice go? Is it in that fridge? No. Is it in this fridge? Yes. I found it. Actually, I'm just pretending that I found the juice. So I'm just gonna leave these two open. So, cause I have to find. Cause if you want, where the juice at? And also, you want to look inside. If one door is closed. I mean, sorry. And you're peeking for juice. Come inside and take this. Okay? So, if you want to peek inside, you can just open one fridge and then peek inside, or you can do this. Or you can do what I just did. What is it? Okay? So, I know these things are removed. I know it's sunny out here. I know it's sunny here. I'm bored at the sunny summer. I want winter, guys. Anyways, this is your thing. If you want to buy what we got, that's why you shouldn't buy. You should buy. This looks a little bit weird. But who bought this fridge? So, these are the parts of the fridge. These are the parts. Wait a minute, hold up. Hey, Mom. Mom.
Yes?
Are these the parts of this fridge, Mom? Those parts of that new fridge, Mom? Mm-hmm. So, guys, these are the parts of the thing, clicking those. And when we're gonna clean this, I think we're gonna bring this fridge and yeah, sorry, the focus. Okay, then we know we just clean this up. Look at, sorry, it's made of bleach. So yeah, this is the fridge. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on Tuesday.